Fact: what matters is not the cookware. To have a volcano, you must pour the egg-water mixture to fill up to 90% of your pot. Fact: volcano looks very tempting, but truth is, it's too hot to eat while it's swollen. It has to shrink a little before you eat. First of all, add dashima in water. It will be yummy cold stock while you're preparing other ingredients. Chop green onion and carrot. Break 4 eggs and add half teaspoon of salt, vegetable, and water. Beat it vigorously. Egg-water ratio: use less water to make it hard and more water to make it soft. Brush the inside of the pot with sesame oil. Use medium heat and pour egg-water mixture. Keep stirring while the egg thickens. When it thickens to 80%, use a deep round bowl to cover it. Use the lowest heat, simmer for 2 minutes more. Done! Volcano! Super easy! 안녕!